Once upon a time, when I was a boy in school, inside coy and insecure, but outside acted cool. Hey baby, what's up? Let go my ego? But when I think about those days, oh, I can see the many ways I was such a fool. I wanted to hold her, but I never told her. I just pulled on her pigtails, punched her in the arm. All the limitations of a schoolboy love. I wanted to please her, instead I just tease her. My constant name calling was part of my charm. All those limitations of schoolboy love. I could have said it all with a single rose, but instead I chose to blow milk through my nose. Sometimes give her a great big shove. I wanted to kiss her, said I'd just dismiss her. Didn't know what else to do with my tongue. All those limitations. Or send her a text message, and then for what about that? So I send her a text message apology for the sex text message. It's too right. Whatever, she's getting called, so I send her a voice message. I called it for the text message, probably the sex text message, and the sex text message itself. And I think maybe that's too far for her email. She sent her email, right? No big deal. So I send her email, apology for the voice message, and the text message, or the text message, and the sex message itself. And the next day when she confronts me on this, I always say, I have no idea what you were talking about.